I've done the whole college thing, and it didn't fit what I wanted it to. I was in engineering school. It was one of those things, you get out of high school and you gotta go to college to get a good paying job. I was a junior at Florida State, and one day it's like, I don't really wanna do this the rest of my life. Cars has been my thing since I was a little kid, and it's like, why wouldn't I go work on cars? And so I'd Googled tech schools in Joplin, and this one popped up. My whole family lives up here. I moved to Florida when I was 6, so it was just an opportunity to come up here and live and school. This is what I wanted to do anyway, and Franklin just fit what I needed it to, and it just worked out well. The staff has been great. Darren's been awesome. He's one reason I'm very glad that I came up here. Penny comes in, we see her at least once a week. She comes in, checks on us, makes sure we've got everything we need. We're staying in line. The program I was gonna do back home, it was the same program before I moved up here. It was gonna be 2 years for the same thing. So 9 months condenses it, and I mean, you gotta come in here every day ready to work, or you're not getting your money's worth. We're in here every night. If something's not straight, you gotta sand it down. We call it mud. I mean, you fill stuff in, you try to get the body panel straight, you take out rust, and there's a lot to it. For the first 30 weeks, we'd come in, we'd read on Mondays and Tuesdays, take a test on Wednesday or Tuesday, depending on how long the chapter was, but for an hour and a half every day for the first couple days, and we were in the shop working. He brought in golf cart bodies, and he goes, all right, we're gonna start sanding on them, so that way you gotta get a feel for what you're doing. If you wanna go to college, good for you, but don't go just for whatever. Tech school, you get done with the tech school, these people are needed. It's hard work. Nobody wants to do this stuff anymore. So you get done, there's a job waiting out there somewhere. I mean, tech school to me I would do it 10 times out of 10.